Hi, and welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. It suddenly dawned on me that although I've done close to 80 lessons since starting this channel 6 months ago, I still haven't drawn the most well-known cartoon character in cartoon history, the chairman of the board, Mickey Mouse. So today I want to correct that. Today we're going to draw the classic version of Mickey Mouse. As I'm sure you know, the public first was introduced to Mickey Mouse in 1928 in the cartoon short Steamboat Willie, although technically he first appeared in something called Plain Crazy. Anyway, the rest, as they say, is history, as Mickey has gone on to appear in 130 films, numerous television shows, and he serves as the official symbol of Disney World as well as all things Disney. Anyway, all you need to follow along with me today is a pencil and paper. Easy peasy, right? Before we get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Okay, so let's draw classic Mickey Mouse. We're going to draw Mickey step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw him again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. Mickey is 3 heads tall. In other words, however tall Mickey's head is, not counting his ears, his entire body is 3 of those. One more thing, being that Mickey is constructed using a lot of circles and ovals, it's a good opportunity to really loosen up and use not just your fingers and your hand, but also your wrist and your elbow, even a little shoulder when you're drawing, especially in the first 2 steps of the process. Just something to keep in mind. All right, so let's start with that roadmap for the incomparable Mickey Mouse. So there's our roadmap for Mickey Mouse. Now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the 3rd and final step to draw as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help me to know where to put Mickey's eyes, nose, mouth, and some of the other things. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing. So you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. So let's rough out Mickey Mouse's features. Okay, so there are the roughed out features for Mickey Mouse. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for the final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw in the final details of Mickey Mouse. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work to figure that out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but don't press too hard or mindlessly retrace over the lines you've already drawn. Always draw with an eye on tweaking and improving until the very end. So let's draw in the details for Mickey Mouse. Alrighty, there he is, the one and only Mickey Mouse. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn Mickey before, then you cannot expect to have drawn him perfectly. You notice I don't spend time coloring him during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Mickey Mouse. With that, you can draw him again and again, and by all means color him when you're done. I promise each time you draw him, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. For those of you who want to go a little deeper, click on the link below for my free 4-part drawing series, where I spend more time explaining the details and the thinking behind each step in what I call the level up cartooning process. So now I'd love to see your drawing of classic Mickey. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had fun with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.